Yo, what's up guys? Alright, so this is the I'm an Educator, and today I'm gonna hang out my shoes and I'm not gonna do some running video for today. I'm gonna actually do the educator part of my I am an Educator channel. So I'm gonna show you how you can actually do cookery with your child with the air fryer. So air fryer is something that's easy to manage, and it's very easy and it's safe for the kids to operate, even if of course under the supervision of an adult. So without further ado, I'm going to show you how I'm going to do this cookery session with your little one. Alright, let's go. Yo, what's up guys? This is Robert Day. I'm going to show you how you're going to make a pie, a simple pie out of your daily items that you can find at home. Things like bread, jam, and just one egg. That's all. That's all to it. Nothing's fanciful, and all you need is one air fryer here. I'm going to show you how you're going to begin and the whole process of it. Alright, let's go. So first of all, you need a white bread. No other breads. Don't even use wholemeal bread, right? Because we need to sort of like flatten it, create a thin crust out of it. So other than white bread, I can't think of any bread that can be flattened properly like white bread. So this one we can't use. Let's set aside. We can only use the inner pieces like this. We need two pieces of this. So first of all, let's trim off the sides. You can use this for your child. This is very easy and safe for them to use because it's the butter knife. It doesn't really cut, see? And it doesn't really poke. So you cut off the sides. So what you can do is you cut off the sides like this. Prepare both. Or you can ask your child to actually use the fingers to pinch like this. Let me show you how. Just pinch the side of it. So you have two pieces of this. So you will need to flatten it. Just find any rolling pin, or you have any bottle like this one here that carries a certain weight, because your child may not have the strength to press it down. So what you can do is get something heavy like this and just simply roll over. With the weight, you don't really need to use a lot of energy. You don't need to use a lot of strength. So, see? Easy peasy. Flatten. That's all. Just set it aside. Do the other one. That's it. Done. That's simple. So next, you can ask your child to choose the favorite jam. For me, I chose this strawberry jam that is available at home right now. So simple for me. I just need to take a scoop of this, just one scoop, because you just need to put right in the middle of the bread itself and nowhere else, because the sides you need to seal it up with the other piece that you have prepared here, right? So just all you need to do is just do a quick scoop right in the middle. You can try with this one scoop first and see how it goes, right? And after that, set this aside. Now this part here, you will need to, you can get your child to be involved in cracking the egg. Don't worry about them making a mess, because this setup is specially set up for them, right? In the past, we just need to get a bowl and just crack the egg. That's for adult, and sometimes adult will just create a mess out of it, right? But kids will make it even worse. So you don't have to worry. All you need to do is basically just simply put a bowl over the plate, and that's it. Just crack it like this. If they create a mess, it will fall off to the sides and it will not be wasted. So you can just basically pour it back in. So if the shells is fallen into the bowl or the plate, all they need to do is just to pick it up after that. Right? So set this egg aside. Then you can get them to use the fork or the spoon, right? Just beat up the egg like this, just to create a simple egg wash out of it. See? Then after that, we'll bring this back. Okay, now once you've prepared the egg wash, all you need to do is set it aside. Put the bread over the other piece like this. Press the corners. You can use the fork to press the corners like this, the sides like this. Just press it down so that they will form a seal around it. This you can get your kid to actually press it. It's pretty fun for them. And the texture looks like curry puff. This is a squarish pie. But if your child wants to get creative to create triangular shape, they can actually cut this into half diagonally. So they can create something similar to the curry puff. So see, it's sealed up already. See, sealed up. Next, you will actually use this egg wash and apply it over. This will give a very nice glaze over the pie, and it has very nice texture after that. And set this aside. We prepare the air fryer. Start this up. Set it as 180 for 3 minutes. So we can open this up. Take it out. Put it in. You can get your child to put it in as well. Set this in. Just press start. That's all. So in the meantime, because of the limited space, you can use this time to actually prepare more pies like this with other jams like peanut butter or even blueberry or kaya. All these are the very nice jam that you can use. Okay, so these are the very quality time that you can actually engage in talking speech with your child. If let's say you don't want to continue with other jams and you have sufficient already and you have leftover egg wash, so what you can do here is actually use this, right? Dip it in and create something similar like a French toast kind of thing. And you can put it back in, pop it inside for 3 minutes, you get the same French toast sticks, which is equally delicious. Okay, now that it's done, let's take a look at it. Okay, look, it's not exactly very toasted yet. It's a bit toasted at the edge here, as you can see here. Oh, let me just take it out. Right, see? As you can see here, it's only toasted by the side. It's not fully toasted right in the middle yet. So what we're going to do is going to flip over, because we only egg wash one side, right? So we're going to actually flip this around. Put a bit of the egg wash here, so that the other side equally is nice and glazy. I'm going to pop this back into the air fryer again for another 3 more minutes. So same thing, 3 minutes. There it goes. Okay, it's almost done. 3 seconds. It's done. Switch off. Let's take a look. Wow, it looks delicious. See, that's how your pie looks like. Right? Let's let it cool down a little bit first. Look, this is the strawberry pie that I just created. Right? So let's do a taste test right now. Delicious. Can you hear the crunch? Nice. You should try it. You should experiment with different. Look at the sides. Brown to golden brown. The sides are very nice and crunchy. It's a sweet, nice little pie. Quick fix. Just a few minutes. The most you need to prepare about 5 minutes plus ish. The air frying part is already 6 minutes. So all in all is about 7-8 minutes when you're done. One simple snack for your child. The jam oozing out. Okay, so that's all for the simple bread pie, quick fix, which you can do with your child, or even if your child needs some quick bites you can actually prepare at the convenience of your home. So all you need to do is just get your breads, your jams, or whatever you like to as a filling. You can just dump it inside. Alright, so if you like this video, you can actually comment down below and let me know so that I can produce more such videos for you guys to see the next time. Alright guys, so that's all for the cookery with your kids. So if you have enjoyed this content as much as I do remember to like, share and subscribe to my channel. So as usual, see you in the next one.